global leading corporations gather in Qingdao. Starting tomorrow, 355 executives of multinationals from 36 countries and regions, together with the representatives from 80 domestic enterprises, will assemble here.
Summit takes multinationals and China advancing with the 15th five-year plan for innovation and the future as its theme. If you want to know how multinationals can seize the new opportunities brought by China's 15th five-year plan,
check out the full opportunity map released at the summit.
This summit focuses on cutting-edge sectors including the artificial intelligence, low-altitude economy, marine science and technology, and future manufacturing. Its parallel forums cover 23 activities falling into 4 major categories: investment promotion, trade matchmaking, industrial communication, and regional cooperation.
There is always a suitable session for you. Meanwhile, its activity list is highly integrated with Shandong's investment promotion map,
centered on new energy vehicles, modern marine industries, and other key sectors. It especially invites global leading enterprises to hold face-to-face negotiations with upstream and downstream businesses of Shandong's industrial chains. Special matchmaking activities will also be organized around Shandong's advantageous industries such as smart agriculture and advanced chemical industry.
Furthermore, the summit will introduce the relevant policy arrangements of the 15th five-year plan,
respond to hot concerns face-to-face, and foster smooth, efficient communication channels between governments and enterprises.
Qingdao will officially usher in the summit period tomorrow. We also expect all foreign-funded enterprises through this summit to better seize the new opportunity of China's high-level opening up and achieve mutual benefits and win-win results.